All right, so it's really windy, and despite it being really windy, this thing's really holding up. Yup. Look at that thing. All right, before we start the review and test, let's watch this cool Tesla do its little dance and flap its wings. Love this thing. If I could own any Tesla, it would be this. So if Tesla, if you're watching this, I'd really appreciate a Tesla. All right, now, cool beans. Let's move on to the Maiden flight. As you saw in the beginning of the video, there was a wind advisory. This thing was freaking holding up in some massive windy conditions. I'm talking about, like, if you leave your door open, it might break off your door, kind of. You know how, like, the wind just, like, swings your door open really hard, and you're like, holy shit, that can't be good to my car? Well, yeah, it was that kind of windy. So anyways, and I said to myself, if I'm going to do this maiden flight, if I'm going to do this test, I'm going to put it through its paces. I don't care, you know? Like, this is what the people want. Was it an ideal condition? Hell no. I'm pretty sure if there was a specific app that would tell you if it's okay to fly in these conditions, I'm pretty sure it would have said hell no. But hey, I'm insane, mine, and I did it. So, my objective here, as you can see in the videos, is I'm going to fly my drone from one end of the runway to the end of the other runway and back. It was probably 2,000 meters away. So, yeah, that's far. Did it have any glitches or anything like that? Nope, not at all. It flew like a champ. It did move kind of side to side. But other than that, it held out. Let's see, 2,000. All right, so it's 1.2 miles is how long that runway is. I just did the math. 2,000 meters is 1.2 miles. Yeah. I flew out 1.2 miles out, and it flew like a champ. I was probably flying it at 5 meters high. I didn't want to fly too far high because this is located in Floyd Bennett Field, and there is New York police helicopters that fly and make their roundabouts. So I didn't want to fly that high. Plus, I hear that, the higher you get, the windier it gets, and it was already freaking windy as is, where the ground level was. So, yeah, I flew it. Now, my ultimate review on the DJI Mini 2. It's small. It records at 4K. I'm kind of disappointed that it doesn't record audio, but from what I hear, even if it did record audio, you'd just hear the propeller. 2, it does not record 60 frames per second. It does record 30 frames per second for 4K and 2K, but does record 60 frames per second at 1080p, and that's what I'm recording at. This is 1080p at 60 frames per second. There was no glitch, there was no lag between my phone and the controller and the drone. One thing I must say is that the remote does not accommodate bigger phones. Well, it does as of yet. I mean, I have an iPhone XS Max, and I have a somewhat fairly large case, not like a OtterBox case, but like a case nonetheless, and it's slightly bigger than an iPhone XS Max. And I feel like if I had a bigger phone, it just wouldn't fit, right? That's what she said. Yeah, so like if you have an obnoxiously big phone, I don't think it would work. But other than that, do I recommend this? Hell yeah. It's just a phenomenal phone. I mean, I said phone. It's a phenomenal drone. You know, I have other drones, and what are you gonna do? You're gonna carry a huge briefcase and schlep around? You could literally put this in your pocket, and you're good to go. It's the hip. It's the way to go. It really is. I recommend it. If you're looking to buy a DJI Mini 2, I will put the link below if you want to purchase it on Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. That way I make my 4% commission. Yeah, you could take a look at my unboxing video, what to expect, but it comes with everything you want. You know, it comes with 3 batteries. Yeah. I can't wait till I use this and implement this into more of my YouTube videos. I feel like this is going to be an asset to my YouTube videos. I feel like this is gonna do a lot. Yeah. All right. It is kind of weird. This is my first time actually recording myself and overlapping this onto my YouTube video. I'm literally on my phone recording. That's how far the runway is. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell's notification button. Peace in the Middle East. All right, so I was short 36 seconds. All right, be ready to watch some extra footage that I just had laying around on my phone. As you can see all the tire marks, you're going to see why. Every time I come here, there's always somebody doing burnouts, donuts, and it's just a blast to see. I love this place, man. I really do. I have a blast every time I come. And yeah, I hope you really did enjoy my review. Do leave a comment. Thank you. That's all she wrote.
Seen anything like that? I've seen it.
I've never. That's a piece of tire right there.
It's like a truck tire.
Yeah, it's like when they do like retreads almost.
Yeah.
Might as well. Let's see. This is the result of having too much fun, I guess. Yeah, buddy. You can smell the tire.
Let's try.
This is good. Shit. Just go, I'm recording.